We all have laptops and PCs and we all use them to solve our problems. So you know that there are many kind of tips and tricks in Windows system. If you know how to use them, so that's gonna make you feel comfortable.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this new brand video. So today and in this video I'm gonna give you 10 Windows tips and tricks that may help you to improve with your PC. So if you like this video, please make sure to leave a comment and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, it's all. Let's just get started. Tip number one, do you know that Windows 10 comes with free screen recorder? If you want to launch it, just go to the taskbar and search for Xbox Game Bar and click on that, and as you can see this option, or you can click Windows plus G to bring up so fast, and as you can see you can record your screen by clicking start recording, and you can record last 30 seconds and you can take a screenshot of your screen. So I'm gonna test this for example. So I'm gonna test this. I'm gonna go on Microsoft Edge and I'm just gonna click Windows plus G, and as you can see it's gonna bring up this option and you can click on start recording. You can see I'm gonna click on this. So as you can see it's start recording on my screen. So I'm gonna do anything. It's recording right now. I'm gonna turn it off by clicking on this option, stop recording, and as you can see this game clip here, my video is saved right here. Okay, tip number two is how to use emojis on your PC. To bring up images, press Windows plus semicolon key, and as you can see right here, it's gonna just bring up the emojis and the stickers or whatever you want. So you can share your feelings and whatever you want, like stickers and cars and hearts, whatever you want. So this is so good. Tip number three is called Snap and Sketch Tool. You can actually take a screenshot of your PC. So if you want to do that, just go down on taskbar and search for Snap and Sketch. Click on this one. So as you can see right here, it's gonna bring up this option. Or you can press Windows plus Shift plus S, and it's just gonna bring up this option, and you have here Freeform Snap, Windows Snap, and Full Screen Snap. I'm gonna choose this one for example. As you can see right here, it's just gonna take a screenshot of your capture or your screen. So, and you can share this one with your friends, or you can export this file or this image as you want, as save as type or anything that you want, or you can rename this file. So yeah, this one is so great. Tip number four, do you know that you can use calculator on your PC? Just go down on taskbar and search for calculator. As you can see here, click on this one and it's just gonna bring up this page, and you can calculate anything that you want, and you can change the option right here. You have standard, scientific, programmer, date calculation, or anything that you want, volume, length, weight and mass, temperature, energy, and whatever you want. So yeah, you can check this out by using your calculator on your PC. So tell me about calculator and down below in comments. Okay, tip number five is dark mode. you can actually use dark mode. So as you know that the screen is so bright, Windows screen is so bright, so you can use dark mode to relax your eyes. So just go down here on taskbar and search for dark mode, so you can choose your accent color here on dark mode, and as you can see here, choose your color and you can pick this one on dark, and it's just gonna change this on dark mode as you can see right now. Tip number 6, text editor or WordPad. I know that WordPad comes with all versions of Windows, but I think many or a lot of people don't know about WordPad or text editor. So just go down below on taskbar and search for WordPad. As you can see here, it's just gonna bring up this option. Click on this one, so you can write whatever you want and you can edit your words and sentences. So it's pretty good, and yeah, you can check it out by yourself. Tip number 7 is magnifier. So you want to flip and you want someone to tell a story for you. So you can use magnifier on your PC or Windows. Just go down below and search for magnifier. So click on this one, and as you can see, it's gonna bring up this one. So you can zoom in and zoom out by clicking this positive or this negative mark. So you can choose this option too by clicking on this one. So I'm gonna click on this sentences. So as you can see, videos every weeks. It's just gonna read for you. Tip number 8 is night light. Do you know that Windows 10 comes with free night light? So you can go down below and search for night light. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna choose level down or level up the strength, and I can turn off and turn on by clicking on this option. So as you can see, it's just gonna level up the yellowish and level down, so it's just awesome and great. Tip number 9 is voice recorder. Windows 10 actually comes out with free uh, voice recorder that you can record the voices. So just go down below and search for voice recorder. So you can easily record your voice by clicking on this option, and it's just gonna record your voice and you can use it, and you can record your voices actually easily by using voice recorder. Okay, this is the last one. Do you know that when you turn on your PC, there are a lot of apps that turn on automatically with your PC? So it's called start up the apps automatically. So you can turn off, you can disable and enable the apps by going down below here and search for and type for start apps. So we can turn off and turn on these options or any kind of apps that you want to turn it on and off. So this was Windows 10 tips and tricks. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and then I hope I will see you in my next videos.